Good morning to all. Last class we were discussed the chapter of force. There we are discussing in the topic of force as the push and pull. The force is depending on the two things, push and pull. There we are discussing the effect of force. What are the effects are there? First one, the force can move the body originally at the rest. A force can stop a moving body. A force can move a moving body to move fast. A force can slow down a moving body. A force can change the direction of motion of a moving body. A force can change the shape and size. These topics are we are discussing in the previous classes. With example way we are discussing it. Today we are going to discuss the kinds of force. We have the two kinds of force. One will be the contact force, another one is the non-contact force. First topic will be contact force. The force which act on the body by making and actual contact, it's called the contact force. When we are applying the force, that force will be contact with the object. Then like that force we can call it the contact force. For example, when we are push or pull the chair, then there we are applying in the our body will be contact with the table or chair. But the another form of force, that is the muscular force also applied on it. The muscular force applied as the push or pull are showing in the figure. Okay, showing in the figure how the force will be in the contact with the object. Next, the force of the friction or the frictional force exerted by the surface on the body in the contact with it. The direction opposite. We know the frictional force means the force will be applied in the opposite direction. The direction in the which the body moving on the surface. Now see the one bricks or one stone is there. When we are push, there will be direction of the motion is there. That time the force of the friction also will be applied. The force of the tension in the string when the load suspended from the given the example. For example, we can take the spring balance. When we are loading in the weight, what will it happen? It will be moving down. The force of the reaction normally to the surface when the body is placed on the surface like this. Okay, this force or will be the contact force. Now it is the non-contact force. The force which act on the body with no contact with the are called the non-contact force. Example of the gravitational force, the between of the two lying at the distance, such as the force of the we can call it the non-contact force. For example, you see the attraction between the two heavily bodies, the force of attraction on the body by the earth. The weight of the body is the force by earth attract that body. So the weight of the body is called the force due to the gravity. Is the force of the gravity on the body due to which the falling vertically down. The leaves and the fruits falling from the tree down the towards the ground. That also example of the gravitational force. The water is the river flowing down the stream. The ball throwing up goes in the height, the return back to in the ground. This is also will be example of the gravitational force. The showing the figure, one girl will be throwing the ball in the upward directions. Okay, when she will be throwing the upward direction, the ball will be in the moving in the height without any touching of the contact. That is the force due to the gravity. Now, electrostatic force, the between of two charges of the body at the distance either repel or attract to each other. Unlike charge attract with the like charge repel. If the plastic comb rubbed in the dry hair then it will be attracted to the piece of the paper. Find that the bit of the paper to move the towards in the comb. This is also example of the non-contact force. Look at the figure here showing how the object will be attracting with the non-contact force. Now next one, magnetic force. The between of the two pole of the magnet at the distance, like pole is repelled to the each other and unlike pole it will be attract to the each other. We know the process of the magnet, the how will be attract to the each other. Here the do you know the gravitational force is always attract with the electrostatics and magnetic force can be attract as well as repels. The non-contact force in the magnitude means the meaning of values depending on the distance of the separating. When the distance of the separating is double, the magnitude of the force become the 1/4. Now the next topic, the force of a friction. It is our common experiment that if we stop our bicycle, then we can apply the brake. It will be gradually slow down because of we are applying in the brake. See, and ultimately it stops after traveling the certain distance. Similarly, if we are rolling a ball on the plain ground, it moving up the certain distance. After some time later, it will be stopped because of the friction. The question is rising to do the why the bicycle or ball will be stopped. Because of the reason, since a force can stop moving body, so we can say that there must be the force act on the bicycle or ball which has stopped them. The reason that the force which slow down the motion of the moving body in the contact with the surface of another body. The body will be contact with the another body. The cycle tire will be contact with the road. It is called the frictional force or the force of friction. This force always oppose of the motion, so that will be push the heavy box. The force of friction oppose the motion of making it is difficult for us push it, for showing in the figure. This we can define the friction as the following. Friction is the force the oppose the relative motion between the two surfaces, the contact to the each other, that is called the friction. And next, do you know the friction is the force of contact? The word friction is devised from the Latin word friccare, the meaning or rub, the rubbing to each other. Effects of friction. What are the effects of the friction? Friction is the opposed motion. Yes, friction is always producing in the opposite direction. We have read about the friction is the force which oppose motion. In the daily life, when we are obtain the move body from one place to another to by pushing or pulling them. Suppose we want to push a box. If you push the box with the little effort, we find that the box does not move. This means that there is some opposed force between the box and the ground which make the box not to move. This opposing force is called the force of friction. Now, if we push our box the hard, we apply more effort to push the box starting moving. This happening because now the force applied the overcome the force of frictions. If we rolling the ball on the ground, it gradually slow down and after traveling the certain distance, it is stopped. When the rolling the ball, after some distance covering, it will automatically stop. That is the reason is that the force of friction between the ball and the ground oppose the motion of the ball and the bring it stop. Similarly, if we stop bending a bicycle, it slow down, and after traveling the certain distance it stop, because what is the reason? The tire of the cycle and the road, the contact of the frictional force. We have to extract the force on the pedal, greater the force of the friction between the tire and the road. Okay, then first way, friction is a opposed motion. Second point, friction is always act on the direction opposite in the direction of motion. Yes, the friction is always producing the direction of the opposed motions towards the lift. If we moving the box to lift, the friction act towards the right. Okay, if you have friction is the toward in the bush, it will be act in the left. The direction of the motion toward is the bush, then it will be towards in the right. That's why we can say the opposed motion, or otherwise direction of the motion towards in the right, or direction of the motion towards in the left. Okay, now the friction producing heat. When we are roughing together in our hand, you can feel it, there will be heat will be produced. It is the common experiment that we rub our flame, they become warm. Similarly, it due to the friction that moving part of the machine get warm, the heated. In the ancient day, the people used the producing the fire by rubbing the two stones against to each other. The old generation are they are using the firing the using for the stone, they are using by burning the matchstick. In place of matchstick, they are using the stone and the rubbing it. The rough surface is also due to the friction producing the heat. The friction gas wear and tear. We have noticed in our daily life that we are tear the bicycle, rickshaw, car and other vehicle gradually wear out when there are continuously used to the friction between the tire and the ground. The machine, the moving part gradually wear, it means the rough, it will be changed the smooth like the plane. Okay, the out of the continuous use, the friction cases wear or tear. That do you know the friction arise because of the interlocking on the irregular projection on the surface of the contact, on the surface of the contact. Now next topic will be factors affecting the force of friction. What are the factors are will be affecting in the friction? The smoothness of the surface. That's why whenever in the plain surface some water will be or oil will be fall down, means we are easily fall down, because there will be the smoothness of the surface. The force of the, there will be friction will be very less. The force of the friction is more between the rough surface and the less between the smooth surface. There will be the no friction between the two perfectly smooth surface. This is ideal situation, which is not particularly possible. The activity is showing. See, the sometime the rainy season time, when we are riding in the bike, car, vehicles, that time the applying in the brake will be difficult because of the that no any rough surface of the road, because it will be making the smooth. That's why when we are suddenly brake will be applied, it will be little distance will be moving the tire, then it can stop. The nature of the medium, the solid, liquid or gas in the which the body moves, the solid, liquid or gas, all extra the force of the friction on the moving body. The force of the friction between the solid and the solid is more, the less in the solid compared to the solid comparing is less in the liquid and still less in the solid and gas. The weight of the moving body is the surface. When the weight will be applying, look at the figures. When we are pushing the weight, the weight equal to double of the work. The moving body surface more in the force of the friction of the body. Okay, when we are applying in the force, we want giving in the force double of the weighting of the object, then only that object can moving one place to another place. Okay, today class we are discussing the about the effect of the frictions. Okay, what are the effect or will be affecting in the frictions, the force of friction, the kinds of force, contact force, non-contact force. These are topics we are discussing today. Next class we are will be discuss for the kinds of friction. What are the kinds of friction is there, that will be we can discuss for the next classes. Okay, go through for the videos and read it and revise the chapters. Okay, after complete the chapter we will discuss the question answer. Thank you and have a nice day.